It's been a long time since I have uploaded any video. I have some issues with the COVID, nothing critical, but between the pandemic and my work I have been very busy. I'm uploading this video and I will try to make another video later about my personal experience with the COVID, and I hope it can help somebody. This video is about turning an acoustic guitar into an active guitar. It remains acoustic guitar but with an external amplifier, so it can be connected directly to the mixer without any external microphone. This model comes with a small installation manual, and it is composed of an equalizer, a piezoelectric microphone, and a mono jack for the audio output. First, we have to put the device in the curvature of the guitar to see where it fits better in the guitar. This part of the guitar is where I found it fits better, because if you slide it, it is like it's stuck here. I have put masking tape to help me trace some lines and also to avoid the wood of the guitar to be scratched even more than it is already. Using a square rule, I will take the lines with the help of a pen or device to make it where it starts and where it should be end, and make the lines perfectly square. The center will be determined by the interior of the guitar, and also on how easily it will be for the person who is going to play the guitar to adjust the volume and all the other controls. I will put it in the center more or less. It is not my guitar. In fact, it belongs to a very good friend of mine that... What? Is Valerie Guitars? Okay, oh, it doesn't matter. The guitar is from another person, so it doesn't matter. These are the dimensions of the preamp, but there is a gap of about 0.15 of the inch per side, so we have to consider that in the hole we are cutting. This is very important because it attaches with 4 screws, and it has to have some wood where to insert the screws so it can hold the preamp in place. In order to insert the cutter, I will make 2 holes with a drill bit. I will cut the rest manually with the hand tools, because if I cut more than I should, I won't be able to add more wood. Well, I may be able to add more wood, but it's going to look like a Frankenstein. Now let's see if it fits. And yes, it fits. Very weird that I did it in the first try, but who said? I don't. Now let's clean up the borders with a sandpaper and clean up the interior very well, because we don't want weird noises inside the guitar. Now we need to place the piezoelectric pickup for this, and a hole in the lower bridge of the guitar must be drilled in order to insert the cable of the microphone. We will have to sand the groove, because with this piezo microphone it will raise the bridge a few inches of an inch. So sanding the groove will leave the strings at the same height as before the modification. So this is how the connection will be. The piezo pickup cable will be connected here in the preamp. This is a 1/4 mono jack, and will be put in about this part. Why? Because we will have to hold it by hand, and my hand won't fit very deeply into the hole of the guitar, so that's why I put it here. This is how far I can reach. Now that we have decided where to put the audio jack, let's drill a hole to fit the audio jack. Okay, this is the ground drill bit. Luckily it was too small, because if not, I will have to glue some wood, but this is the correct size, and let's see if it fits. And it does. Okay, my hand won't fit through the hole, so I will ask one of my assistants to try to insert the jack through the hole. Just let me clean up the hole with sandpaper too. I put the jack where it can be reached by hand, but my assistant has thinner hand, so she will fit better. She will hold it in place while I put the washer and the nut to hold it while she holds it in place. I will also put double nut and Loctite so it doesn't get loose with the time. It will, but at least it will take more time. Now we can start putting the strings. And now the battery compartment does not specify the polarity, but 9 volts battery had the big terminal of the small one. The big one is negative and the small one is positive. So we insert the battery and press this button and it will light red. It means that it is connected. Now it is done. I have put the screws already, and those scratches were there already. I didn't do it. It is a $19 device, so it is not a waste of the resources in here. This is how it looks inside. I put a small reinforce there so the screws can hold better. Now I will connect it to an amplifier using this wireless device or transmitter. Very good transmitter with a very long range, is like 100 feet, something like that. As you can see, even if the camera and microphone could be picking the sound directly from the guitar, you can see the mixer in the back that it is registering the input level. So that's it. This is all for this video. I apologize again for not responding to comments or uploading videos. I really appreciate that you keep watching my videos and subscribing. Thank you for that. I have several projects in progress, but there is so much work and so little time for me right now. But I will catch up with time. Thank you and very much. I wish you the best.